Organizing a draw to get more attention to your channel, your business, or your online social presence is a great idea. But there's one thing that many people overlook. This is what we'll be talking into this video. Obviously, there's many things that you should consider when doing a draw, but the one thing that I'd like to talk to you about in this video is the prize. Now, I've seen, and I keep seeing this, and it is so much out there that I wanted to do a video. For example, a real estate agent that will give away a trip somewhere in order to promote or foster the growth of his or her clientele. Now, the problem that I have with that is, and it's not necessarily just retail agents that did that. I consulted with a client that was in the hardware industry, and they did exactly the same thing. They organized a draw, and the prize was for a trip. Now, the person, when we consulted, said that he didn't have much, he had a lot of participation, but he didn't get a lot of return on his investment from the people that registered to the contest or the draw. Now, it should be pretty self-evident why that be. If you organize a draw and you sell hardware, well, you can make a lot of noise, and obviously the price is amazing. I mean, I want to participate in that draw. I would register, but you will get people that are interested in the trip, not necessarily in your business. So it is so far removed that there will be almost no carryover, or maybe a little bit, but not much. Because they're two different animals. So you have, on one hand, you have a trip, and you have people that are interested in participating and going away on vacation, and on the other side you have renovation material. Now, maybe they're the same revenue brackets, maybe there's some logic in organizing that, but what I always tell my clients is give a prize that is in line with what you're doing. So if we go back to our real estate agent, well, things that are a little bit closer to doing something for home might be winning a home staging evaluation, winning an appraisal, winning maybe a year of or 6 months or whatever the amount could be of insurance for your house or something like that. Something that has to do with what you're doing. So people will be interested in the draw. They will give their name and their information to participate, and you do have a carryover, because if you organize your draw properly and the price is in matching in what you're offering, all of the information that you're getting from people are people that either have home or are interested in making it look prettier, getting a discount on insurance for their home and all that. So you're, in a sense, you're pre-qualifying your participant to be a potential clients either now or in the near future. So it is good to get eyeballs on your channel, business, or social media presence, but you want to make sure that you have the right people participating, and that you can transfer that to eventually getting more subscribers, getting people more involved, or eventually getting sales. All right, so make sure that if you do a draw, make sure that you select a prize in accordance to what you're doing. So that's the tip that I wanted to share with you. If you have any comments, make sure that you put it in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel.